the garden gang. It's Vanity with Brew Crew Garden Gang. And I need some space. And so, well, actually I need some dirt. I need some soil so I can heal up those. It's midday. They look like they're about to die. It's going to be all right. They're going to be okay. I'm about to heal them up, cover them up. And so what I'm going to do is take from that bin and put it in here. And so I'm going to harvest those, put that dirt in here. Okay. And normally I would say to just dump this, but since I'm gonna put it in there, I kind of just don't want it all over the ground or on a tarp. So I'm just gonna pull it and fish around. This one is nice and dead. I want to try to keep the whole plant together. Whee! Nice ones in here. Alright, so I guess that's it. I got a couple good ones. Nice size potatoes. You know what I want? That fingerling. Never ate those before. I mean, you know, it's not horrible. Not horrible. And then, just gonna dump this solid. Whoa. Don't touch it. Whoa. All right. Say thanks for watching, gang. Say thanks for watching, gang. Say thanks for watching, gang.